Deep cleaning on Acer Nitro 5A515-57 gaming laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Abby's, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for deep cleaning is a wise and proactive voice to maintain its performance, longevity, and overall reliability. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris naturally accumulate inside the laptop, particularly around critical components such as cooling fans, heat sinks, and ventilation areas. This buildup can obstruct airflow, causing the internal temperature to rise, leading to overheating, thermal throttling, and potential hardware damage. If left unchecked, excessive heat can degrade essential components like the CPU, GPU, RAM, and motherboard, resulting in reduced efficiency, frequent crashes, or even permanent failure. A professional deep cleaning service ensures that all accumulated dust and debris are carefully removed using specialized tools and techniques, restoring optimal airflow and cooling efficiency. This process helps prevent fan noise, overheating issues, and unexpected shutdowns, ensuring the laptop operates smoothly even under demanding workloads such as gaming, video editing, or multitasking. Unlike basic external cleaning, deep cleaning involves opening the laptop, cleaning internal components thoroughly, and applying fresh thermal paste, if necessary, to enhance heat dissipation. Choosing a professional service for deep cleaning guarantees that the laptop is handled with expertise and precision, reducing the risk of accidental damage during disassembly and reassembly. Regular deep cleaning not only enhances system performance and stability, but also extends the lifespan of the laptop, making it a cost-effective investment in maintaining a reliable and efficient device for years to come. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools, methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.